pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap. Ellicott City, local and long-distance movers near me. Uprooting your life and moving a long distance from Ellicott City is difficult, no matter the situation. Whether you're moving for work, personal reasons, or just for a change of scenery, you need to work with responsible, trustworthy long-distance movers in Ellicott City. There are many moving companies in Ellicott City, MD, to choose from, but none of them match the level of service provided by 3 Movers. Therefore, trust 3 Movers Moving Company for all your moving needs. We've helped hundreds of clients with long-distance moving in Ellicott City, Maryland. We're 100% licensed and insured and offer reliable, trustworthy, great customer service support and timely moving services throughout the United States. So contact us online to get a quote. Even if you're just moving across town in Ellicott City, a DIY move can be troublesome and hard to coordinate, so don't try to handle things on your own. Our local movers in Ellicott City are always standing by to assist you. We offer guaranteed arrival and moving times, transparent rates, and expert service. Our movers have the skills, muscle, and specialized equipment to handle local moving jobs of any type and size in Ellicott City, so get a quote today. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Ellicott City moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.